Hey Josh, how are you? I spoke with your office earlier. My name is Leo Arona with Arona Marketing. I wanted to shoot over a quick video showing you some tips and tricks that you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website and your Google Business Profile. I'd appreciate to hear some feedback from you about the video, and I hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Here is your site. I really like the logo. I like the layout of it. It's not a bad site at all. One of my biggest suggestions would be to add more content. Google loves content. You want to have 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page, and throughout that content, you want to add some keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and areas you offer. Another good thing to do right here is called geotagging, and it's how you're saving your photos. It's a missed opportunity right here. This should be citing installation Lexington, Kentucky, or Louisville, Kentucky, or whatever city that you want to be found for. And I will say up here at the top, you got your call to action button. You get a quote. That is awesome that you have that up there. That way customers can come straight in and get in touch with you. Now, what I have here is a tool called Ahrefs, and it's a web crawler tool. And what it does is give me the Google Analytics of your website, how it's performing, and how it's doing. So what I want to go over with you here is the UR and the DR. That is the strength and the trust of your site. And this is on a scale of 100, so you want to keep those balanced and moving up continuously. And the backlinks help out a lot here. You want these numbers as close to each other as possible. If you divide them into each other and you get a 1.00, that is called the golden ratio, and that's exactly what Google wants to see. And the backlinks will help there. And a backlink is a website linking to another website via a clickable button or text. And not all backlinks are created equal. There are some that are spammy and some that are more authoritative. So you really want to go after the backlinks that are more authoritative and relevant to the industry local to you. As of right now, you got 1,300 keywords, and that's bringing in 727 people a month to your site each and every month. Now, you don't have zero, which is a really good thing, because at that point it's just a digital business card. I'm sure you're seeing now that having the extra traffic to your site is more like a lead generation tool that will increase your ROI. So if you look at some of the keywords that you guys are indexing for, like roofing companies, Louisville, Kentucky, you're position 1. It's a 19 KD, which is pretty hard to rank for. Not hard, it just takes more time, probably 3 to 6 months to start ranking for that. You're number 1, so you own that position, and that's awesome. And you're getting a nice portion, a nice percentage of that volume search right there. You really want to go after those buyer intent keywords that people are Googling, because that is how you are looking, that's how people are looking for your services. So if we look up Lexington, Kentucky roofers, now at the top, you normally see ads up here, Google ads, local ads right at the very top. And that's a great way to get business quickly. But if you stop paying for those ads, then you're gone off the top. So that's what the importance of ranking organically is. Now down here is the map pack. And you're not in this top map pack, and that's okay, because there's several ways to get there. So you want to make sure that you're constantly adding reviews. Make sure that your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely don't want to be misleading Google, because that will hinder the searches that comes in for you. There's a 750 characters About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add the keywords in there as well. Posting branded, geotagged, or geolocated photos weekly really helps you rank organically. And adding citations, which is your business name, address, and phone number, and things like Yext, Yelp, Yellow Pages, things like that, because at the end of the day, Google's like a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, it will make Google start to trust you more, and that will boost your business, not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Being in the Google Map Pack gives you about 30 or 40% of the traffic that goes to your website, and that gives you a call right from here. So as soon as somebody comes in here and they click on your website, they're going straight on there, and you've already got the call to actions up on top, and that's awesome. Now we go down here to the organics, and your top competitor is Lexington Blue. And if we go to their site, you can see that they don't have a lot of content either. Their homepage is lacking the content as well. So if you implement having more content on your site than theirs, you can outrank them while adding the backlinks and such as well. Now, what I've done here is I've also put them in the tool as well, and you see the organic keywords they have and the traffic that they're driving each month. So here is a decent amount of volume. Roofing companies, Lexington, Kentucky. That's a pretty easy keyword to rank for, and look at the volume that they're pulling off that. So Lexington, who is Lexington Blue? That's not really driving on business. Local roofing company. That is more of a national keyword right there. So they're not getting what they're expecting to get off that. It needs to have the city and state tied into it. So this is things you can do. You can check in here, see what other competitors are being ranked for. You can start putting that in your content, and you can start being found for it as well. Definitely hope this video was helpful. Again, I would appreciate to hear your feedback and thoughts. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much. My name is Leo Arona again from Arona Marketing. Josh, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out. I could be that resource that can answer questions if need be. Have a great day.